Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Coding Hives. This is Rasina with you. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to learn an important function in Python, that is sum function. This is a super useful function for adding up numbers in a list or any other iterable, and it is really easy to use. This sum function in Python takes an iterable such as list and returns the total of all the elements. Here you can also give an optional starting value which is 0 by default. So it is like a quick way to add up a bunch of numbers. Clear? So the syntax I already wrote here. It is a syntax like sum. Then in the parenthesis we can give iterable. For example, the list name, and start is optional. You can give a value which will be added with the sum also. So my first example is sum of numbers, okay, in a list. So how I can do that, I will explain here. So I will declare a list like numbers, and I have some even numbers, okay, 2 to 10. Then I want to find the total, okay. So we know a function now, right, to find the sum. So sum of then the iterable numbers, okay. Now if I'm going to print this thing, total, which means it will give the sum, right? Clear? So in this code we have a list of numbers, and when we use sum of numbers, Python adds up all the elements, okay? Clear? So the result will be 30. Now here we can use this starting parameter, right? So here I will add a starting parameter, for example 100, okay? So now we will check what will be the output. Can you guess? Yes, it is 130. Okay. So here, this time the Python will add up all the numbers in the list and then add this 100 to the total. Okay. So we are getting the result as 130. Okay. Now we will go for another example with some to find a sum of numbers in a tuple. Okay. So now I am going to give a tuple name as numtup. Then this is I think I will give odd numbers. Okay. Clear? Now I want to again calculate this total, right? So I'm giving total equal to sum of then tuple name. Our tuple name is numtup, right? So now if I'm going to print this thing, print total, okay? So I'm getting some output like the sum till 1 to, like sum of odd numbers till 7, okay? So that is the output of this thing. So here we have a tuple, then we use the sum function to add the numbers in the tuple, okay? Here also we can use this start value. I mean here we can use some start value, so that will be also added in the output. Clear? Now I will give on another example that we can use this sum function in a range of numbers. For example, I want to calculate, I can say something like that, sum of, I can here give here a range. For example, I want to find the sum of numbers till 10. So I need to give here 11, right? So now I will give here something like this, total. So our output will be 55. Okay, clear? So here the range 1, 11 function generates numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, it does not include 11. That is important. So here the sum function adds all of them together. So we get the output as 55. Okay. So that's it for today's video, like how we can use this sum function in Python. It is very easy and it is very powerful, right? So I hope you got a clarity about how this sum function works in different scenarios, using list, using tuple, using range, also using a start value. So if you have any doubt or any clarification extra needed, you can ask in the comment box. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.